Hey Bazaar Marketers, it's Tim Summers. Welcome to the channel where we talk about marketing, tips, tricks, and other techniques to help you grow your business. So today I'm going to talk about some Instagram hashtag strategies that I've been implementing lately that are working really well. So I'm going to give you 4 different things to highlight and look at adding to your business and your marketing strategy, and it's working out really well for me. So let's get into the video. So I'm on my desktop right now, but I'm going to be jumping back and forth from desktop to my phone, and you'll see the phone on the screen, but you can't see all of the things on the desktop that you can see on your phone as far as the insights and different things like that go. So the main thing when you're doing this strategy, you want to make sure that you have a business Instagram account set up, not a personal profile. It's the only way you can do this strategy and make it more efficient. And then it also ties in with your Facebook page. So make sure it's a business one. If it's not, or how you can tell is you just go into the edit the profile and you can go to the settings and see if it is, and then convert it over. When you're converting it over, you're going to be just adding like your phone number and a way to contact you or email. So, and that's what you have to do in order to make it a business version. So the strategies I'm going to talk about are hashtags here. And we're going to do, you can actually post 30, but I'm going to talk about 20. You can actually do more if you want, but 20 at minimum is what you want to do. So you want to do 5 very popular ones, and that's 250,000 searches to 1,000,000. And then you're going to go do 5 average ones, which is 750,000, I'm sorry, 75,000 to 250,000 for the searches. And then you're going to go to niche ones, which are related right to your business, your services, what you do. And those might not have a lot of searches, but that's ones where people are searching for your, what you do, what your service is, what, problem you solve for them. And then the last one is going to be branding. So you can do 5 of the branding ones, which, would be like your name, your company, and things like that that are more related to your brand. So how you find those is, so if you go into the search up here, you can do this on your phone or on the desktop. So you want to find ones, like I said, 5 popular ones or very popular ones, and those are going to be 250 to 1,000,000 searches. So if I type in marketing, which is what I want, it's 47 million. I don't want to use that one. There's no way I can compete with that, and no way I can gain traction there. So I want to find something like right here, marketing ideas. It's under 500,000. Perfect. Marketing consultant, same thing. Marketing strategies. So there right off the bat, I've got 3 good ones that I can use. Let's see if there's another one here. Marketing 101, so it's under 1,000,000. So there's 4. So I won't keep going, but that shows you, right off the bat, there's the very popular ones. And then you just go through and do the same thing. Try to find the average ones and then the niche ones. So niche ones for me, it's going to be like promotional products, social media marketing, marketing. Actually, I'm going to use that as the niche one, even though it's, a very popular one, because I still want people to find me for that. And if they start finding you on the average ones, it'll help you gain traction on all those other ones, the niche ones and the popular ones. So, and then the branded ones, again, I'm going to be putting my company name in there, my personal name, possibly, whatever it is that you want to brand your business. So that gives you 20 that you can use right away. Now, let's get this back up on the screen here so I don't lose it. So, all right. So then the next question I usually get is, where do you post those at? So some people will post them, right in, with the text that you're putting in the post. And then others will say, oh, you got to wait and then post it and then put it in the comments. So the strategies that I've been using, it's worked on both. Lately, I've been just putting it in the comments, and because it gives you more room, and then you can talk about what you want to do and put some emojis up in the top there. And so the comments one has been working really well, and it doesn't look as spammy or intrusive on people. But once in a while I'll sprinkle a few in up there as well, like I did with this candy corn one, which I'll show you in a minute. But so my strategy's been the comments. I have them cut and paste them, put them in there. I have about 5 to 10 different sets depending on the business that we're working with. Some of our clients will do different ones for different posts, so we'll have a different set for the target or what we're trying to reach, because some clients have different different profiles of people that they're going after. So that's that. Stick it in the comments. So the other thing you can do is when you are seeing, looking at the insights, seeing if this is if they're working, So I'm going to jump on the phone part here. See if I can drag this in. And we'll make it bigger. See how this is going to look. All right, so I'm on the profile now. So if you hit Insights in the middle there, the little button, which again, you got to have the business one to do this. And then that first one, content you shared, there's a little arrow on the right there. Make sure you hit that, not the post, but the arrow. So you hit that. That's going to show you all of our posts and what the reach was for each one. So the little number like 59 there you can see is how much people it reached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on that, and then you can kind of see the post, read about it. But you see the View Insights right there at the left. So if you hit on that, this is going to come up, and then you just kind of scroll it up and you can see all the data there. So it reached 59 people. There was one profile visit, so they visited the profile, which is what you want them to do because that has the link to your website or wherever you're driving them to. But here's the great information. So the reach was 59, impressions were 60. From hashtags, 32 people found this post from searching a hashtag, and the other ones found it from the home. So they were actually on the home page from something else, and then they were scrolling through all of the rest of the posts that we made. And so about half, 50-50. So that's impressive. 32 people searched the hashtag, found this post. And that's how you can tell if you're getting good traction. The only thing it doesn't tell you is which hashtag that they use to find you, which is all right. But let me see if I can get this down. There we go. Get back to the post. So I just want to show you. I didn't show you, but those ones I'm sticking in the comments. So a couple of them, like the candy corn one. I don't know if I can find that one again. A lot of posts going on here. Yeah, I don't see that one. Pretty handy, but. Anyway, that gives you the idea that which ones are working. You go to the ones that have more traction. Let's do the toilet paper one here just for kicks. So that's got 68. So again, I'm going to go to the little insights there. You can see we had 5 loves, a comment, and so 68 was the reach. So 82 impressions, 40 from the home page, 37 from hashtags, and 5 from other. So other is what I'm finding out is somebody will do a search on Google and it'll end up sending them to you, or they'll do a search somewhere else. Or there's a link possibly that I've put on Facebook that sends them to an Instagram page. So it's really vague. You don't really know where they came from. But the important one is to know 37 people searched one of the hashtags that I'm using and got to this post. And then nobody actually went to the profile, which is the main thing. You want them to go to your profile, which has a link to your site in there. So can't stress that enough. Whatever your link is in your profile, that's where you want to drive people to go there. So get rid of this on here real quick. There we go. Back to the post. So let me just downsize this. Get that off the screen. But this is... I'm getting a lot more followers. I know we don't have a ton, but we weren't using this strategy before, just posting things blindly. 243 posts and very few followers, but these followers have gained almost half of these in the past 2 months. So that's pretty impressive just for using hashtags, and we didn't really have a good hashtag strategy before. It was just posting whatever I thought it was, marketing, which 47 million people are never going to find us on those. When I started drilling down and putting those other ones in there, it's really working well. So let me know if you're using hashtags in your Instagram, if you're even using Instagram for your business, which you should be. It's one of the most engaging ones right now. You can do images, you can do videos, and you get talking with customers and driving them to your sales page, your website. They can call you from there, having your phone number on it. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what your strategy is on hashtags and Instagram. Have a great rest of the day. This is Tim from Bazaar Marketing.